If you're a homeowner in Nampa looking to upgrade your home's style, security, and energy efficiency, installing a new door is a smart investment. Whether it's your front entry, patio, or interior doors, professional door installation ensures everything is done correctly, efficiently, and safely. If you're wondering what the process entails, here's a step-by-step guide on what to expect during a professional door installation in Nampa. Initial consultation and door selection. The process begins with a consultation to understand your specific needs, style preferences, and budget. During this stage, professionals will assess your existing door frame and identify any structural issues that need to be addressed. Guide you in selecting the right door for your home, whether it's a stylish entry door, an energy-efficient patio door, or a durable storm door. Provide recommendations on materials like wood, fiberglass, steel, or vinyl, and discuss options for finishes, glass inserts, and hardware to complement your home's aesthetic. The consultation is your opportunity to ask questions and explore options, ensuring you make an informed decision that aligns with your goals. Accurate measurements and planning. Once you've chosen your new door, the professional team will take precise measurements to ensure a perfect fit. Proper measurements are critical because even a small error can result in drafts, security issues, or an ill-fitting door. During this stage, the installer will measure the door opening and frame, determine if adjustments to the existing frame or structure are necessary, schedule the installation at a convenient time for you. Accurate planning sets the foundation for a smooth and efficient installation process. Preparation for installation day. On installation day, the team will arrive with all the necessary tools, materials, and the new door. Before beginning work, they will prepare the area to ensure a clean and organized process. This may involve moving any furniture, rugs, or decor near the installation site, protecting your floors and surrounding walls with drop cloths or plastic covers, ensuring easy access to the work area. This preparation ensures minimal disruption to your home and keeps the area clean throughout the process. Removal of the old door. The first step of the installation is removing the existing door. Professional installers will carefully remove the old door, including hinges, hardware, and trim if necessary. Inspect the door frame and surrounding area for any damage, such as rot or warping. Make any needed repairs or adjustments to ensure the new door fits securely. Removing the old door is done with precision to avoid unnecessary damage to your walls, floors, or frame. Installation of the new door. Once the area is prepped, the team will begin installing your new door. This step involves securing the new door frame in place, ensuring it is level and properly aligned. Installing the new door, hinges, and hardware with precision. Sealing gaps with weather stripping or caulking to improve energy efficiency and prevent drafts. Testing the door to ensure it opens, closes, and locks smoothly. Professionals pay close attention to alignment, insulation, and security to ensure your new door performs optimally and looks fantastic. Finishing touches. After the door is securely installed, the team will add the finishing touches to complete the job. This includes installing decorative trim or molding around the door, applying any final caulking or sealants for added weather resistance, cleaning up the work area and removing debris, old materials, and tools. The installers will ensure that your door looks polished and functions perfectly before leaving. Final walkthrough and inspection. Before wrapping up, the professional team will conduct a final walkthrough with you. They will demonstrate the door's operation, including locking mechanisms and hardware. Verify that the door fits securely and that there are no gaps or drafts. Answer any questions you may have about maintenance, warranties, or future care. This final inspection ensures that you are completely satisfied with the installation and confident in your new door's performance. Enjoy the benefits of your new door with your new door professionally installed. You can immediately start enjoying the benefits. Whether it's improved energy efficiency, enhanced security, or a refreshed appearance, a professionally installed door delivers value and peace of mind. Why choose professional installation? While DIY projects might seem appealing, door installation requires experience, precision, and the right tools. Professionals. Eliminate common installation mistakes that can lead to drafts, misalignment, or security issues. Save you time, stress, and the frustration of unexpected challenges. Ensure a clean, efficient process with results that last for years. For Nampa homeowners, professional door installation is the best way to ensure a flawless upgrade that enhances the beauty, security, and efficiency of your home. Ready to upgrade your door? If you're ready to replace your old door, working with a professional installation team in Nampa ensures a smooth and stress-free experience. From consultation to completion, you can expect precision, efficiency, and a beautiful result that adds long-lasting value to your home. Contact a trusted professional today and take the first step toward a better, more secure home.